Hello and welcome to an unboxing and setup guide for the Gator GHDVR98W Dash Cam. In this video, I will provide a quick overview of its features, show what's inside the box, show how to install and set up the dash cam, and how to connect your dash cam to your smartphone. We will now take a closer look at the dash cam and accessories. Here we have the Gator GHDVR98W with the 32GB micro SD card and mounting bracket already installed, the rear camera, the product manual in various languages. Underneath the foam insert is a box containing the spare mounting adhesives for the front and rear camera, GPS antenna power cable, 5.2 meter rear camera cable, and the 12-24V in-car dual USB adapter. Let's have a quick look at the GHDVR98W Dash Cam. Installing the Gator GHDVR98W consists of two parts, the installation in your vehicle and the setup using your smartphone. Installing the GHDVR98W in your vehicle is simple. Peel off the adhesive to mount the dash cam on your windscreen, typically behind the rearview mirror. Orient the device so when you attach it to the windscreen, the USB socket is on the right-hand side and its lens is on the left. The procedure is the same when installing the rearview camera. Since the GHDVR98W supports GPS, we use the provided cable that has both the GPS antenna and power cable combined into one. Insert the micro USB end of the GPS power cable into the micro USB socket of the dash cam. Remove the adhesive of the GPS cable and fix it to the window. Connect the other end of the GPS cable into the dual USB power adapter and plug it into the power socket of your vehicle. Install the rear camera using the provided 5.2 meters of cable and connect it to the side of the GHDVR98W. You can adjust the camera's orientation more accurately in the Gator Dash Cam App. We can now move on to the second part of the installation. All of our current Wi-Fi Gator Dash Cams use the Gator Dash Cam App for iOS and Android. If you'd like to have a step-by-step guide on how to connect to your Gator Dash Cam using our app, please click the link in the description. The video will show you all you need to know to set up and manage your Gator Dash Cam. The steps are the same, but when connecting to your dash cam over Wi-Fi, make sure to connect to the GHDVR98W and use the password 12345678. There you can adjust the settings of your dash cam. That sums up the unboxing and setup guide for the Gator GHDVR98W. You can stay up to date on the latest products by subscribing to this channel and visiting our website, GatorDriverAssist.com.